Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create smooth zoom and blur effects to your videos in CapCut. So first, you just need to add your clips and then click on the first clip, go to speed, curve, select custom and use this curve for all of the clips. Okay, after that, just click on a check icon. Now go to the video effect, opening and closing, then select the oblique blur effect. Adjust the blur to 20 and the rotate to 50. Okay, click on a check icon and put the effect in between the clips like this. Okay, now copy the effect and for the second one make the blur 100 and make it shorter. Copy again and make it shorter. Copy again and make it shorter. Okay, now if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the step, but since I only have 2, I'm going to just leave it like that. And then add 2 keyframes on your video at the start and at the end. Then at the second keyframe, zoom in the clip and then go to opacity and lower it to 50. Okay, now do this also for the other clips. Okay, so after that, click on the clip, go to animation, combo, and then select the zoom to animation. Okay, this one, and do this also for the second clip. And after that, you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.